Hey guys, this is the video series related to the CanvasFX basics. In these videos we will walk through all parts of the project, learn how to operate it and achieve the main goal, creating the overlay you are looking for. In this video we will talk about how to write your own effects. If you are ready to start creating your own effects, you first need to understand how existing effects work. Open any effect you're interested in and click Edit. Don't worry, if you are not familiar with JavaScript or Canvas techniques, you will still be able to follow along. If you are a developer, you can create beautiful effect directly. That's great, but this guide is for everyone else. There are two ways to create an effect, if you are not expert in the web development, of course. First method: find an effect close to what you want and fit its code into the AI tool. Which AI? That's your choice. I personally prefer Claude, but tools like OpenAI models, DeepSeek can also produce solid results. Then describe what you want to change. For example, I want to set custom font, or can we add logo to this effect? If it gives partial code, ask it for full update version. That's it, you created customized effect. Second method is click the Add New Effect button. This opens a template effect containing a variety of features. You can feed this template into LLM and ask it to generate new effect from scratch based on provided structure. Once you get the code, replace the template with it and save. Because of the structure, the AI doesn't just generate an effect, it also provides settings, tags and categories. After that, you just configure it and generate the effect media, which you can then use in your video editor. That's it for this video. I hope it helped fill some knowledge gaps. For more information or new overlay packs, visit our Patreon page. There you will find weekly overlay effects, project updates, Q&A and more. Stay tuned.